Hi, I'm Victoria Herrick, and this is my facilitation demo for AI for Education. This is AI for Education in the Classroom, a teacher's toolkit. And I'm Victoria Herrick. We're here to help teachers navigate and adopt Gen AI tools and practices. Here you'll see a bit.ly that goes to the slides and also this QR code that goes to the slides as well. So, our agenda today, we're going to have some introductions, then we're going to do some group norms, then we're going to play a fun icebreaker brainstorming Gen AI capabilities. We're going to take a look at using AI for education in your classroom and a demo of lesson 1, interview a chatbot. Then we're going to do an interactive exercise playing Chat GPT bingo. We'll even have time for some Q&A and for some fun resources that you can take back with you. So, really quickly, who am I? I am Victoria Herrick. I'm a facilitator, a learning and instructional designer. I have also 5 years of classroom teaching in a STEAM lab under my belt as a career technical educator. So, I know just how important it can be to try and find great resources that are fun that you can take back to your class and engage your students. I was a teacher at a Title I public school out here in Orange County and also a coach at a private school for robotics. So I know that no matter your population, students, kids, parents, teachers, they want to learn more about these tools that are available for them. Really quickly, our group norms: respectful curiosity, creating a safe space for exploration, focusing on learning and not perfection, keeping in mind that some people they use Gen AI tools all the time in their practice, in their pedagogy, and for others, this is all new. So we want to create a safe space, but also provide resources to take you to the next level. And finally, ethical considerations. So as we explore Gen AI, let's keep in mind those ethical implications, and we will be discussing responsible use strategies throughout the workshop. So let's kick it off with our icebreaker. Imagine you have a magic AI assistant in your classroom. What tasks or activities could it help you with? Because we don't want to just throw resources at you. We want you to make meaning for yourself. How can this make a difference to your practice, to your time, to the quality of your teaching? So go ahead, you're going to click on this poll everywhere link, and then you're going to type in your ideas. We're going to create a fun leaderboard, and then we're going to have a group conversation. And we're back. So thank you so much. That was a great contribution, Jennifer. I loved what you had to say there. It's us learning from each other, social learning. To me, I find that's the best. So taking a look at how AI for education can help you in the classroom. I have some hot links here to our website, which shows our webinars, our prompt library, and our curriculum. Today, we're going to be taking a look at lesson 1, interviewing a chatbot. All you got to do is just click on it here. I also have a link that's in the slides. I'll show you in a minute. And if you scroll down, let's go with grades 7 through 9, since I did middle school. That'll take you right over here to this lesson. You'll see the standards here for ELA, computer science, and some international standards. This can help with discussions with your administrator because we want to think about not just the electives, not just the CTE classes, but also how can we integrate some of these tools into our academics? How can we assist our English language learners and our special education students as well? Okay, so again, there's this link that's right here that's in the deck that you could click out over to the lesson. So this would be an example of our downloadables. In just a moment, you're going to get some hands-on exercise. We're going to go into breakout rooms. I'm going to let you play with these prompts yourself. And then when we return, we're going to go ahead and we're going to play some bingo now that we've got warmed up with making some prompts using generative AI so that we can go ahead and play this game.